Fix 1. Make sure location services are enabled. Step 1. Open Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Step 2. Make sure the Location Services toggle is turned on. Step 3. Turn off Location Services, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on, and check if the GPS stopped working on iPhone. Issue is resolved. Fix 2. Enable location access for apps in use. Step 1. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Step 2. Find the apps where GPS is not working properly, for example Google Maps, Apple Maps in the app list. Step 3. Select while using the app or always to allow location access. Fix 3. Toggle airplane mode. Step 1. Open the control center, tap the airplane mode toggle, and wait for 10-15 seconds. Step 2. Turn off airplane mode and then test if the GPS is working properly again. Fix 4. Force restart the iPhone. Sometimes a simple device restart can fix many system bugs, including the GPS stopped working on iPhone issue. Fix 5. Reset location and privacy settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. Step 2. Select Reset Location and Privacy and enter your password to confirm. Step 3. Turn the GPS back on and check if it is working properly again. Fix 6. Update iOS system. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Step 2. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Fix 7. Turn off low power mode. Step 1. Go to Settings, Battery. Step 2. Turn off low power mode and then test if the GPS is working properly again. Fix 8. Use iOS system recovery. If GPS is still not working, it could be due to an iOS system error. iOS System Recovery is a professional iOS system repair tool that can fix iPhone GPS issues without data loss. Step 1. After installing the software on your computer, launch it and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Then, click on iOS System Recovery on the interface to proceed. Step 2. The program will automatically detect the iPhone error and display it on the interface. Next, click the Start button to continue. Step 3. Verify the iPhone information on the interface. If needed, update the details using the correct information from the drop-down menus. Then, click the Repair button to fix the GPS not working issue on your iPhone. Fix 9. Restore iPhone to factory settings. If the above methods do not resolve the issue, restoring your iPhone to factory settings may be the final solution. Please back up your data first. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 2. Select Erase all content in Settings and enter your password to confirm. Step 3. Set up your iPhone again and check if the GPS is working properly. Fix 10. Contact Apple support. If your iPhone still cannot use GPS, it may be a hardware issue, and you will need to contact Apple support.